Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eklexic earrings, E-K-L-E-X-I-C. Let's check out, oh, personalized note, cute. All right, so there's like a bunch of little bags in here. You can just see, let's just go with the first one. Has their logo right here. Love a good gold earring. I'm all about hoops. You're gonna see probably this entire bag is just completely all hoops. Oh, super cool. Okay, so this little piece actually is also the earring back. That's a super cool detail. I don't think I've seen other brands, you know, do an earring back with like the same material as the earring. They got their little brand written right there. Even like the little detail on the stud, you can see their brand name slides right in. Oh good, and it's not too heavy either. I've worn hoops that are just so heavy. End of the day, you're just like, okay, I need to like take these off. These are not as heavy as you would imagine. I think they might be hollow. You can see these from like a mile away. They're so big, they're so glamorous. I mean, gold goes with anything, you know. Love the first one so far. All right, next, we have some thinner hoops. And these are of the silver edition. Once again, same thing. They have, you know, the branded stud back. It's like a flat ring. Comparatively, it's, you know, looks a little bit thinner. I like that they have so many different types of hoops. There we go. Oh, they look good together too, if you want a little added oomph. All right, so we got a double hoop action. So if you can't decide if you want gold or silver, why not both? All right, moving on. Oh, there are more in this bag. So another two. So let's go with this 1.5 inch gold hoop. So the first one I just tried on is a 2-inch one. 2-inch gold. Once again, 1.5 inch. Going on. Nice and thin, super cute. All right, got my third one in on this side. And you know what? I think my third hole might have closed up. I don't know if you can see, like it's like a little bit bleeding a little bit or irritated. So I'm just gonna put it in my fourth hole. So it's a little bit off, but you can still see the layered effect. I kind of like that actually, it's kind of cool. Next we have this 1-inch silver thicker hoops. Well, first we have the circular, the square, back to circular. Here they are. Super cute. Let me try this one on my cartilage piercing. So, well, that looks super awkward as a cartilage. Maybe I want to switch that little guy out. As a hoop earring, that looks a lot better than necessarily cartilage. All right, let's see what else we have here. Okay, let's check this one out. Oh yeah, here we go. These are probably gonna be a lot better. These gold Huggy earrings. Also, these 5-inch rectangular ones. These little silver hoops, the 0.5 inch silver ones that are like basically the mini versions of this, even smaller gold one. Let's go with the silver for like the cartilage pierce. Oh yeah, that looks way better as a cartilage than the other one. So this will be like a full ear, full of hoops, if that is what you desire. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch these big ones out. Oh, my ears are getting red because they haven't been used in that long. We're gonna switch out the big ones for these little Huggies. All right, first we're gonna do this little golden Huggy. I like that you can see it even from like, you know, far away, just because it's so thick, just a little fat little earring. I like that it's small, but like you notice it. This next one is basically the same size, except for it is rectangular instead of circular. So these circular ones are called the Huggy hoops, and then these are called the Ava hoops. Yeah, let me know in the comments, which one do you like better and why? Or do you like the dual look? I kind of like the dual look. Third one, I'm going to put in another Huggy, but this is going to be an even smaller Huggy. It's called the Lisa Huggy. Oh, so they're named after like different people. So instead of like calling it a size, basically a little bit bigger, you want to call it Zoe, and a little smaller, it's called the Lisa. All right, so we got triple action over here now. And then of course this. Both of these are Lisas. This is obviously the golden Lisa, and then this is the silver Lisa. All right, next I want to showcase what these Schuyler hoops look like. One is 1 inch and one is 0.5 inch. Let's put the big one in first. Ooh, love how these are such a statement piece. Once again, they're not too heavy. They are just perfect amount. I know my ears like are super red, but that's just because poking them like crazy right now. Yeah, love how they, you know, are smaller, so a little bit more of a casual look, still a statement piece. All right, so I put this one on my second hole and then this one on my third hole, just so you can see the difference in terms of spacing and which one you like better. I think I think I might like, ooh, it's hard to tell. I think I might like the closer one better because this one looks a little bit too far out. But yeah, that's what these Schuyler hoops look like. Yeah, that almost like looks like one piece instead of like so blatantly two. Because they're so thick, it almost, as I said, looks like one piece that goes super well together. So next we have, ooh, the silver version of the first one we just wore. Just kidding. This one is 2. Actually, and then this one is 1.5, so a little bit smaller, but same general style. Ooh. All right, and next we have our smaller gold hoops that are the Zolan hoops. And then finally we have our smallest one, still the same thing though. This is called the Baby Ryan hoops. And they're all in there. Ah, so blingy. Love it. So we got, yeah, silver, gold, gold, silver, gold, gold. All right, so here are the options. So these are the silver 1.5 Ryan hoops. The next size is the Zolan hoop, this one. And then this little baby one is the baby Ryan hoops. So let me know in the comments, which one would you wear and why? Are you more of a silver person? Are you more of a gold person? What do you prefer? Or would you want all gold? But I think the progression of size looks good on this though. So as a recap, these are all the gold ones that we saw from smallest to largest. So we have our 0.5-inch Ava hoops, flat rectangular Lisa Huggies, circular Zoe Huggy, which is a little bit larger, our baby Ryan hoops, our Zolan hoops, thinner but larger Ultimate hoops, 1.5-inch, and then finally our 2-inch gold hoops. This was the silver selection, Lisa Huggies, 0.5-inch Schuyler hoops, 1-inch Schuyler hoops, 1.5-inch Ryan hoops, and then finally our 2-inch Ava hoops. They have a larger selection than just what I've showed you. So depending on what size you want, what color you want, whatever size you want, basically, they probably have. So check out the link below if you want to purchase it. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I do want to know though, out of all the ones that I showed you, which one is your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you like product unboxings, unopenings, you want to see more of this type of content, make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button so you get a notification whenever I post. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.